Hi, what's up guys? My name is Angel. Today we're going to be working on my friend Jose's car. I don't know if you guys remember, but he had the E36. We're going to be installing a diffuser on his car. Hopefully it's not too hard, but the only thing that sucks is we can't find instructions. There's no videos online. We really can't find anything but like random pictures of it actually on the car, so we'll see how it goes.
Jeff gets a diffuser and he gets an E36, he will have to watch